nagregalo ako sa parents ko ng lupa. So, ang kaso, yung BIR, bigla po kami sinisingil ng buwis. Bakit po ganun? Pag po pala nagregalo ka na ng, let's say for example, lupa nga po, kailangan mo bang magbayad ng tax para doon? Meron po bang ganun sa batas? Yes or no?
Yes, meron talaga. So, niregalo mo yun, so it's basically a donation. So, it's a donor's tax. Magpasalamat ka kasi dati, I think it was 20 or 30%. Now, it's just 6%. Now, what is the reason for that? Katulad na pag-explain ni Alan, no? It's always a balance between government and the people na kailangan maningil si gobyerno, pero kung sobrang taas, which it has been for many decades, wala rin nagbabayad. Tinatago, paikot-ikot. So ngayon, 6% na lang. So meaning to say, kunyari, worth 1 million yung lupa. Dati, babayaran mo doon 200 to 300,000. But now, it's just 6%. To be clear lang ha, taxable siya if the gift is more than 250,000. So kung yung lupa is valued more than 250, so kunyari, 1 million and 250, exempt si 250, si 1 million yung matatax.
Thank you so much po.